What's up? Good morning. SPX, QQQ. Why is Mia Khalifa trending in the United States? Do I dare click on this and find out why she's trending? Let's see. Yeah, never mind. Should not have clicked on it right now. Never mind. All right, let's go live. If you guys see that trending on Twitter, don't click on it. Let's see. Boom. Boom, boom. Cool. Yeah, I saw a lot of people say that they didn't get the notification that I went live yesterday. Might have been why it was so light yesterday. But just remember, we live every day around 8 a.m. Eastern time. Let's get live for the people on TikTok as well. Oh, had another red day yesterday. Oh, well. Took 2 trades, 1 loser, 1 winner. The first one was a loser. Made some back on the second, but it happens. It's part of trading. The 2 losses I've had, they've been small. So, that's okay. We will make it back. I don't know why they did that. For real. All right. Let's see. Go live. Education. Bang. There we go. We live on TikTok as well. Got the ghost energy this morning. Cool. How'd you guys do yesterday? Make money, lose money, take no trades? Let me know. And what was I about to say? Oh yeah, real quick, just take 2 seconds to hit that like button. We got 69 people in here and 18 likes, so just take 2 seconds. Yeah, YouTube, they're catching on to me. I'll tell you what though, it's 8 degrees outside. It is cold. I don't like that. Also, I pay to get my road plowed, and they didn't even plow the road yet. Ridiculousness. Anyways. All right. Start off by ES. Let's see. Made money. Red in the green yesterday. Typically, it's a mental one unless I really think it's going to trade against me very quick. Then I'll put a hard stop loss. I do want to look at the economic calendar. We are at a very important level that I was watching on ES. So what is today? Today's Wednesday. We have a decent amount of news today. Import price index, minus fuel, retail sales, Fed speaker at 9, another Fed speaker at 9, industrial capacity, business inventories all at 9:15, home builder index 10, beige book 2, and then another Fed speaker at 3. I might wait until 10 to take a trade. But we're at that huge area that I was waiting for this week. This is the main setup that I've been watching, was for price to pull back towards that 21 EMA because we do have that daily squeeze. We could go as low as the 34, which is going to be right down here. So anywhere in between that range, I would like to see if we can make it support and see if they can start buying it up. If that's the case, I'll look for a swing on SPY. But mainly want to see what happens at this 21 at 47.65. So, I mean, we pretty much already tapped it a couple points off. We shall see. But yeah, as far as other levels, I mean, ideally, if this squeeze is going to fire up, we have more upside. SPY is still super close to all-time highs, 480, so would like to see us push into that. Maybe look for a double top up there. Retail sales, 830. But yeah, other than that on SPY, or ES, my bad. We're at the new highs. If we really started pulling, the weekly 21 EMA would come into play. We do a little bit of demand down here if we actually pulled all the way down there. Not my favorite area. We still have that old demand right there. See if we can find a smaller zone. Yes, we have that 1 hour zone. So like if we really started to pull, then I would like this 1 hour demand right here, but it's pretty far away. But it is a very small zone that I would be interested in. Can't tell if it's showing it on the top or the bottom of that. Okay, there we go. So 1 hour demand here. 325, perfect. Boom. All right, 1 hour demand. Again, ideally would like to see that 21 become support today. But just in case we continue to pull, willing to watch all the way down here. So that's the main area for a bounce. A little bit to go. Or not the main, but like the next area that we can watch. And then as far as a reject, I mean, I personally would have watched that 21 EMA on the 1 hour, but we already tested it. Let's see. Yeah, I mean, to me, this is pretty sloppy price action here. Like the daily set up a lot more on ES. So, oh, and of course, my contract's unrolled. There we go. Make sure I saw the right levels. Okay, we're good. But yeah. Oh, now we are, okay. There we go. We tested the 21 EMA. That was our morning low. So if anybody traded futures, that was a very nice bounce level. So we'll see what happens with the retail sales and everything else, but depending on the daily candle close, I might be willing to take some SPY calls and swing. Cool. But yeah, I don't really have any rejects right now, so we'll wait for that. I already tested the supply up there. Good morning. No good supply here. No good supply here. And no good supply here. All right. Head on over to SPY. Anybody catch a piece of that NVDA yesterday? That thing exploded. Absolutely exploded. Let's see. Cool. All right. 21 EMA was at 471.2. Got very close to testing it. Still would like to see the daily 21 EMA on SPY, see what happens there. But again, could move based off the ES level. And then from there, we look for the push into 480 all-time highs. Yeah, AMD nuked yesterday too. Ooh. I mean, that's pretty much it on SPY. We could watch that same 1 hour demand. It's just going to be all the way down here, which is pretty far away. I mean, actually, $4 or $5. It could get there. But that's going to be my bounce. Only like a 30-cent range. So, willing to watch that. Let's do NQ. Same levels are going to be in play for NQ. Let's see what happens at this low over here. Maybe a liquidity sweep. Then we'll watch this one, but main demand is going to be all the way down here, and then supply is going to be all the way up here. So NQ, QQQ kind of just trading in the middle of nowhere until we touch those zones. Pretty much tested that 1 hour supply already. So, cool. Get out of here with that. Listen, the beard trimmer won. I guess 1.5 and a 2 isn't the same on every beard trimmer. So, if you guys go ahead and get a new beard trimmer, I'd test a higher length first. You're going to cut off your whole beard. And you're going to look like me, Babyface Brandon. Cool. Again, real quick though, if you guys are in the YouTube live stream, take 2 seconds, hit that like button. We got 145 people in here, 150 people in here, and only 58 likes. If you guys want this watch list, all you gotta do is hit that like button. I'll give it to you guys. For real. Over here sneezing. I'm not feeling good again. You guys couldn't hear, I'm super nasally today. You can't really trade Forex like that. I mean, you can day trade it. It's just like not ideal unless you have like tons and tons of capital with leverage. So I haven't traded Forex in a minute. Still have my accounts open, but I just haven't. Got the Manscaped beard trimmer, and that's what screwed me up. Alright, NQ, QQQ. Kind of looks like we actually have a trend line on this. I'm gonna see. No. Maybe not. Never mind. I thought for sure we had one right here. Never mind. But yeah, same thing. Demand all the way down here. Supplies up here. It's all I'm watching on QQQ and NQ. So, let's see. It's 8:15. Let's run through some individuals, see what we like. Wait for all the news to drop at 8:30, and then we'll go from there. No, I don't. I'm not affiliated with TradingView. So, let's see. Apple, still only interested all the way down there. AMD's still running. I mean, we could look for an uptrend entry here. Ideally would be a bounce at that 1 hour 21 EMA, which right now is at 156.7. So maybe if it got down there, I'd be interested. Let's see, AMD. Ideally would be the 1 hour 21 EMA for the bounce. Amazon. Not until like the 150 area. Boeing. Destroyed the 61.8 yesterday. Honestly, we could look for puts and calls on this. Let's see something. See the liquidity on this. Yeah, I mean, there's a lot of liquidity both sides. So with Boeing, I'd be interested in a potential reject at the 1 hour 21 EMA or a bounce at 195.80. So I like them both. Let's do NVDA. Cool. Coin. Don't care about. Costco. Don't care about. CRM. Don't care about. GLD. Don't care about. Google. It's in this range. Nothing interesting. Let's see. IWM. Don't care about. Meta. Don't care about. Microsoft. Depending on the news, doesn't look bad. I'd really like to see a bounce towards this like 386 down to like 385.50-ish. Previous all-time high. 385.40. So, Microsoft potentially on the list. Microsoft. What do you mean, Jonathan? Explain. Netflix. Don't care about NVIDIA. Same thing, just like the AMD. I mean, it's got strength. Would prefer a bounce at the 1 hour 21 EMA, but we could look for an uptrend entry depending on if the market's strong. So look for the break of 568.35. Potential setup there. So AMD, Boeing, Microsoft, NVIDIA. PayPal don't care about. Getting slaughtered on my PayPal long-term position, I'll tell you that. Roku don't care about. Shopify don't care about. SPX. Slightly cracked that 4,800 yesterday. SPY we already did. And then Tesla. Nothing on Tesla. It's very weak. But what do they got? They got earnings 23rd, 24th. Honestly, I'd just wait for the earnings. Wait for next week. See what happens. Cool. So as far as individuals, I like AMD, Boeing, Microsoft, and NVIDIA. So what I want to do, want to wait for the news that we got here dropping at 8:30. Again, we have a decent amount of news, and then Fed speakers at 9. So in the meantime, if there's any stocks I haven't looked at, feel free to type them in the chat or just any questions in general. No, has to be margin. Has to be margin. But yeah, any stock related questions, actually any questions in general, I guess. And then stocks that you guys want me to look at. And then once 8:30 rolls around, see how the market reacts, finalize levels, finalize setups, and then we will be on our way. Morgan Stanley, I think. Somebody asked about this yesterday, I believe. I mean, it set a higher high. It's gonna set a higher low. I mean, 81, 79, 78, 90 would be your level. The only thing I'm watching on Boeing is going to be the 78.6 right here. Hopefully, my real estate agent sold because he told me he bought like 25K of Boeing shares, like somewhere in this area. So hopefully he sold it. If not, RIP. But I will watch this at like 197. Like 197.25 down to 195.79. I'd prefer here. But we'll see. We'll see what happens. The technical analysis, it's the same. It's just when you're trading Forex, you're literally trading for pennies on a penny. Like, they're not making huge aggressive moves. So, I mean, you can day trade them. It's just I don't know a lot of Forex traders that do. Unless they have massive size. When I traded Forex, it was always swing traded. Very rarely would I ever day trade on Forex. I like to catch the larger moves. And then I'm not a big fan of funded accounts. I've never used one. I'll never promote one. They don't make sense to me. I have the capital to use, so I'd prefer to just use my own capital. But yeah, and then a lot of them are sketchy as well, which is why I'll never use them. Let's see, SQ. Still getting smacked. I mean, if it's gonna pull back anywhere, the next logical area, if this is, I mean, because technically this is still a lower high. We never broke above this one here. But if it's gonna set a higher low, potentially, I'd watch 59.6 and then 54.72. That'd be my area. But as of now, I don't really see anything that would spark my interest. So, and again, take 2 seconds to hit that like button. We got 180 people in here, 100 likes. Make sure you guys tap that like button if you want this watch list posted in the chat. And for the people that are watching on TikTok, if you haven't already, make sure to check out my YouTube channel, Brandon Trades. Almost 69,000 subscribers. We just hit 68K like, what, not even a week ago. So make sure to subscribe. 870 plus free videos. And I go live every single morning, 8 a.m. Eastern time. Give you guys a completely free watch list for the day. And do weekly watch lists on there. So, again, Brandon Trades. Check it out. If you don't check it out, you're missing out. But let's see. Yes, I'm going to do another bootcamp video. I posted on my Instagram story yesterday. I accidentally buzzed off my entire beard, so I've been a little self-conscious because I haven't had, or I've had facial hair since I was a junior in high school. So it's been a while. It's weird looking at myself. Yeah, AMD's potentially on the list. Again, we got news here in 5 minutes, so we're going to wait and see. See how the market reacts. Yep. ES looks really good at that level. I don't know why I'm so stuffed up. Right there. Yeah, that 47.70, that was the level to watch. If we lose it, maybe here. But I really like this area that we're at. News could make us completely just fall apart, though. Which is unfortunate. Yep, babyface Brandon. That's who you guys got right now. Let's see. Yes, I can take a look at the VIX. I personally don't really use VIX all too often. But I mean, technically, we didn't close with a higher high. Price gave a higher high above these. But I mean, just VIX is super weird to use. Maybe we pop up into this area right here. But not really like seeing any huge divergences on it. Good morning. Good morning. What we got? We got 3 minutes. Just a 21 EMA and TTM squeeze. It's what I use just to do analysis. And then I have indicators on a different screen that I look at. We'll see. News could make us tank, could make us rocket. Just have to wait and see and watch levels. This is why you want to do your analysis both on ES, SPY, NQ, and QQQ, because QQQ hit the supply zone. However, NQ hasn't tested it yet. So that's why it's important to do your analysis on both. Eat some jalapenos. I think I'll pass on that one. We take a look at Mara.
Thanks for the sub.
Thank you for the subscribe. I mean, it's losing that support that I was watching. This area right here, so next best bet would probably be this weekly 21 at like 1560 is what I would watch. 2 minutes. But yeah, as far as a lower time frame, really not seeing anything super interesting. Cool. 2 minutes. Pull up ES. See how we react to the news. One minute. What are you guys liking today? Out of everything we went over. AMD, Boeing, Microsoft, NVIDIA, SPY, QQQ. Any favorite setups that we got? Apparently the 10-year yield is going up. Apparently Hulk Hogan's out here rescuing people in Florida. Good for him. AMD, okay. All right, 8:30. See what the numbers are. See how the market reacts.
Thanks for the sub.
Thank you for the subscribe. Also, you guys see that Spirit Airlines yesterday got wrecked, halted multiple times. Crazy. Imagine you had puts on that thing. That's wild. All right. Head back to yes. See how we hold this level. All right, retail sales beat on everything. Cool. See how the market likes it. Right back at that daily 21. Yeah, I mean, if we break this low, then I'll look for more downside, but if you're doing options, I always just buy the market and sell market. Personally. All right. Let's go back through these individuals. Finalize levels. Again, make sure you guys take 2 seconds, hit that like button. We're almost at the like goal, 125. But hey, if you guys want to run it up to 150, I'll take 150. But yeah, super close. Take 2 seconds. All right. As far as individuals, we had AMD. Ideally, would really like to see a bounce down here. Plus, I mean, we kind of have like a little 1 hour demand area as well. But ideally that 1 hour 21 EMA around like 156.60. So Watch that. If it's super strong and it starts breaking above 160.88, then I'll look for an uptrend entry. So I like AMD a lot. Boeing, we're going to watch that for a swing. Actually, we'll keep Boeing on the side for now. Let's see, Microsoft. Yeah, I'd say NVIDIA and AMD are my favorites today. And then we'll just keep Boeing on the side. Cool. Ideally, would like to see the 4-hour 21, but... Alrighty. Let's see if we're getting close to this fib. Or you destroyed those. Alright, so, I mean, 570.86 could be an area. Getting close to it. Cool. And then if we break that, we got a whole gap to fill. Pretty big gap. Cool. I'm with it. So yeah, NVIDIA. Break above here. Look for the uptrend entry. This is going to be a price target. Look for a bounce here. If we crack 571 with strength, I mean, I don't have anything until $24 more. So we'll see. Cool. AMD and NVIDIA it is. AMD. Plus, it's getting close to all-time highs, isn't it? Yeah, 164. It doesn't really have any resistance until then. 164.50. Cool. Or a break above 160.88 for uptrend entries. Bounce 1 hour. Video. Oh, what is that? 568.40. Yes. Still watching daily squeeze setup. Setup. Daily 21 May. So I will be watching market structure. Here. NQ. Nothing on Tesla. Really, just haven't been interested in Tesla. $264.85. All right, if you're in Team Bull, you're about to get this watch list. Cool. I use the 8 EMA, 21 EMA, and VWAP for intraday trading. I do a higher time frame analysis to find key levels. And then when I'm day trading, I'll use a 5-minute and 10-minute, maybe a 15-minute, and then sniper entries on a 1 or 2-minute. Boom. Cool. Well, how many likes we at? We're at 138. I'll tell you what, you guys get 12 more likes. I'll give you guys this watch list today. 150, that's the goal. We're super close. Get this watch list to YouTube channel members. Cool. YouTube channel members, you got it. Now we just need 150 likes. Then you guys in the YouTube watch list get it. Or YouTube, get it. What's the hot stock today? I mean, mainly want to focus AMD and NVDA, ideally. No, it's a misprint. If it hits it, it's not a real touch of the level. So nope. Three more likes. Two. There you go. Awesome. So, real quick, before dropping the watch list, two things. If you guys haven't already, make sure you are subscribed to the YouTube channel. Also, make sure you guys have them bell notifications on so you're notified every single time I go live or whenever I upload a brand new video. Now, hold on 1 second. There we go. As always, none of this is financial advice. Everything talked about in this live stream is based on my opinion and my opinion only. Options trading is very risky, where you can lose more than your initial investment if you are not careful. So as always, do your own due diligence, use your own proper risk management, and I'm not responsible for any lost funds. So, all right, here's the watch list. AMD, NVIDIA, using ES level should trade SPY, 2 trade SPY, and then NQ. But yeah, that is the watch list today, everybody. As long as you guys are good, I'm good. We can print today. Yeah, just the wick on the opposite side typically. Misprints just, honestly, I'm not too sure why they happen. I would just assume that market order getting filled far away from current price. Or just a broker messing up. One of the two. Of course. But yeah, that's going to wrap it up today. I always wait for a close in the candle. Always. And then wait for confirmation. But yeah, let's go wrap it up. Let's run it up today. Let's make some money. And again, make sure you guys got them bell notifications on. I'll be live again tomorrow, bright and early, 8 a.m. Eastern time. Hopefully not so nasally. But, cool. Everybody take it easy. If you're in Team Bull, talk to you guys in like 20, 30 minutes. Other than that, talk to everybody else bright and early. Peace.